guys, Jacob Coyle here with MarineMax Clearwater and Aquila Power Catamarans. Today, we are on the all-new Aquila 50. I'm gonna do a walkthrough of a couple cool features and benefits that are sure to impress you guys. The first thing is, you've got tiered stairs, so entering and exiting the boat is very easy. As you do come onto the boat, one of the other things you're gonna notice right away is the giant aft platform. Now this platform is where your dinghy will go, is where if you want some lounge chairs, they can go here. The cool thing is, on most of the private boats, this will go directly into the water line to make this whole area a beach mode. What you have here is your aft deck area, your aft cockpit area. Look at all the space you have for seating, for entertainment. You could easily fit 8 people at this table, 4 across there, and another 4 here with some chairs. You do have your 3 bar stools right here, and signature Aquila DNA. You will have your window here that will flip open to open up your entryway into the cabin. Let's go on and take a look inside the cabin. As you get inside the cabin, notice the wonderful windows and all the natural bright light. This particular boat we're on is our vacations model, so it does have 5 staterooms. Most of the ones for private ownership will have 3 staterooms with a utility room. Notice the great seating here. You've got your TV set up there, and you also got a couch here to open up the entertainment space. We are on the flybridge of the 50, and the first thing you're gonna notice, look at all the space you have. With a 25-foot, 6-inch beam, this power catamaran is very, very spacious. Notice you've got the helm here, and you can get to the helm from both sides of the island. Your visibility is fantastic. You do have the Lexan that can be flipped up to get you that breeze on those really warm days. As you walk over here, again, you've got your island, plenty of space in your L-shaped seating. Tables do fold up if you wanted them to condense this, or obviously they flip open so you can have more guests at the table. As you come towards the aft of the boat, refrigerator, look at your galley area up top. Plenty of room, nice sink, plenty of storage, and of course you've got a Kenyan cooktop right here. Look at the amazing sun pad on this Aquila 50. You can't beat the space that you get on a 50-foot power catamaran with a 25-foot, 6-inch beam. We're gonna walk up to the bow of the boat now, and in true Aquila DNA fashion, you have direct bow access from the flybridge. This is one of the statements on all of our flybridge power catamarans from Aquila. As you come down, notice the handrail, perfect position. And then as you come down here, look at this great entertainment space. There's enough room up here for another 8 to 10 guests. This boat is perfect and spacious for your entertaining needs, whether it's a day on the water, going to the sandbar, or a month-long trip. This boat's got it all for you.